What's up guys? So we're back here with another unboxing video. For this unboxing video, we have VZ101488. So these are the wide body fender flares for the Dodge Challenger. Now let's go ahead and unbox it and we could show you everything that's inside. Now, for everything that's inside, you should have 4 included brackets in the kit, and these will attach to each of the fender flares and mount to the car. Then you'll have your 4 fender flares, as well as all of the adjacent parts to make it a seamless fit for the wide body. Now, as for all the little parts, you should have 7 in total, including your flasher indicators. Then the hardware that's included in the kit is your 3M tape for installing all your fender flares, and all these small parts will attach to the adjacent fender flare, which is the big piece, and everything should fit together seamlessly and be installed with the 3M tape. And if you want to see the installation video for VZ101488, make sure to go check out our YouTube channel. Now, for more videos like this, go subscribe to our YouTube channel and like and comment for more.